Guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. How are you all doing? When is your star exam, Hannah?
Um, April 23rd.
Okay, we have time. I don't want to spend the entire class for more reviews. I would like to go ahead with some eighth grade pre-algebra standards which are useful for your algebra 1 next year. Having said that, right, I don't want to just like that go there as well. Is there any particular topic that you would like me to discuss? I have one, definitely. Okay. Based on Sanvi's request, I have one. Okay. Parallel lines and transversal. Other than that, if you have a topic like, Auntie, this is hard, why don't we do some problems on this? If you have something like that, I would be more than happy to do that and then go to whatever I have planned.
Can we do rotation?
I really wanted to
What
do
now?
I really wanted to do like the transversals thing too, because I was really confused on that.
I see. Prince, you had something. You said something, right, Prince?
It's not really hard, it's just that I haven't done it in a while. Can we review uh rotation?
Transformations?
Yeah, because I haven't done it in a while.
But transformations is not a part of star.
Oh, okay,
That
sure.
is something I am going to cover separately for you. You see what I mean? That is in my own lesson plan. I want you all to, everybody to learn transformations before we finish the school year. So I will definitely cover that, Prince. But for your information, it will not be a part of star. That is why I have not covered. You got it?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, but I will definitely cover. Don't worry. Meaning we will go over in-depth translation, reflection, rotation, dilation. We will go over that. Okay? At least basic fundamental level, we'll go over that. Make sense, Prince?
Okay, sure, thank you. Sure.
Along with it, I would like to do Pythagorean theorem, scientific notation as well. Okay, but that is only after you all say, if you all should approve. Oh, Auntie, yes, we can go ahead. But before that, I do see parallel lines and transversal as a topic which everybody, many of you have problems with. So let's see that.
Auntie, you said that you wanted to work on you told me to write a note about mean absolute deviation.
Mean absolute deviation, right, Ma? Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'll do parallel lines and transversal first, then mean absolute deviation I can do. Yeah, that's something. See, that is also a part of seventh grade, eighth grade pre-algebra. Eighth grade pre-algebra, but that won't come for your seventh grade star. You're all going to appear for seventh grade star, right? Yeah, so that mean absolute deviation, all this doesn't come for seventh grade star. Let me see. What did I want to say? Yeah. I'll go ahead with some questions. Where we are, I'll understand. After that, we will review the concept if need be. Okay. How about this? Let's consider this. Uh, no, I don't want these. I don't have things that I want. 1 second, guys. How about this? Let's do this. Okay. Are you all able to see my board? Okay. I really want you guys to start with linear pair. I want you to know the definitions of these, okay? These are the ones that you really should know. Supplementary angles, okay. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. First, this is the first set I want you to know. Okay. Second set that I would like you to know is this also comes in the first set, guys. Okay, let me see. Hold on. See whether you are able to recollect the definitions of this. Okay. The second set, what I want you guys to know is alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles. What else? Same side interior angles, same side interior angles, same side exterior angles. Or I can also call this as consecutive interior, consecutive exterior. Okay, I'll stop here. Now, let's make it into a discussion. How about the first one? Or how about this? What are congruent angles, guys? Congruent angles are congruent figures. What does it mean?
Like similar or like
Exactly the same.
Exactly the same. Then what do you mean by similar figures or similar angles?
Same shape but different side lengths.
And
Good
proportionally, like
job. Good job. Yes. Congruent similar means this you already know. Same shape, same size.
I know that the third one is like it's equal to 90 degrees.
Third one, yeah, I'll come there. Different size. So you know this. So here, these two are congruent. See how I'm marking them? The two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. This side is equal. You got it? This is congruent. Similar means these two are similar. Now, A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash. How do you represent it? Here A, B, C, correct? Here it is D, E, F or A dash, B dash, C dash. Let me write it as A dash, B dash, C dash. A, B, C is congruent to, see the symbol I'm using. This is congruent. A tilde. This symbol is called a tilde and an equal to. Whereas A, B, C is just a tilde means it's similar. A dash, B dash, C dash. Here AB side is proportional to A dash, B dash. BC side is proportional to B dash, C dash. AC is proportional to A dash, C dash. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I move on? So, we know this is just whatever we have learned this year only. This is just a revision. Congruent and similar, we have explained it once more. Here, see, this AB is always you get A dash, B dash times a number. So I can say AB side is proportional to A dash, B dash. BC side is proportional to B dash, C dash. AC side is proportional to A dash, C dash. Whereas in congruent shapes, I can say AB equal to A dash, B dash. BC equal to B dash, C dash. A dash, C dash is equal to AC. Any questions? Any questions? Can I move on? Now, you understood what am I sorry? What was that? Any questions? Okay. Now let me ask you more. How about that's right, angle that add up to 90 degree. Good job. Dhruv, not really, right, Dhruv?
I'm confused. I thought it was 90 degrees.
Yeah, correct. See, that is okay. What you have said is correct, but that's for complementary angles. If I talk to you about complementary angles, those are the angles that add up to 90 degrees.
That's what I put.
Yeah. So if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, then in that case, I would call it as complementary angles. Okay. Suppose in this case, right, this is A, this is B. Now A plus B equal to 180 degrees. Then those are supplementary angles. Any questions?
No.
Supplementary angles are when you add up to 180, when you add up to 90, they are complementary angles. Make sense? So we have gone over this. Now, linear pair also refers to, see, linear pair means two angles making up a line. See, these two angles make up a line. Do you see it? Linear pair also is supplementary. Linear pair is supplementary. Ashita, are you following?
Yeah.
Can I move on, guys? All at one shot is too much, but we have already learned it, so I thought I'll explain all of it together.
Wait, so linear pair is when so it's like supplementary.
Yeah, linear pair is just supplementary. Linear pair means angles that make up a straight line. Linear means a line. Linear means Linear has a line in it, right? So it makes up a line. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is this? Suppose if I have two lines intersecting, the angles that are opposite to each other, they are congruent. What are they called? What are these angles called?
Vertically opposite.
Exactly. They are vertically opposite to each other. So they are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, C and D. What do you talk about? What do you say about C and D? Dhruv.
Horizontally opposite.
Yeah, they are also vertically opposite angles. They are always congruent. Make sense? Adjacent angle means two angles that are sitting next to each other. You are sitting adjacent to your friend. If I say that, then A and B are sitting next to each other. Any questions there? Adjacent angles are angles that are sitting next to each other. Shall I move on? So we just reviewed. Okay, these were all discussed before, but we are just reviewing. Linear pair. Sanvi, did you follow? Sanvi, did you have any questions on that, Sanvi?
Not right now.
Not right now. Okay, as soon as when it comes, you have to ask me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, linear pair means it's a line. Angles that make up a line are linear pair. Congruent means they are equal. Similar means similar. See, let's talk about similar figures. Okay. There's no similar angles. Similar figures, let's talk. Congruent figures means shape equal, same shape, same size. Similar, same shape, different size. Complementary angles means, want to do a number? Complementary angles add up to 90 degree. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degree. Vertically opposite angles form when two lines meet. Okay. Their vertically opposite angles are congruent. Adjacent angles are sitting next to each other. Any questions? Now let's go back to our figure. Okay, let's come here. Now, the second set is what you need to know. Okay, now, these two lines are parallel. R is parallel to T. What is M called? What is M called? What is M called? What is line M called? What is it called, guys?
Array.
Uh,
A line.
yeah, M is a line, but good job. M is a line, but the line M is called what? If it cuts two parallel lines, it's called?
Is it what forms
Intersecting.
intersecting?
Yeah, interesting.
Very nice, nice guess. Intersecting. Okay, let me say M intersects R. M intersects T. Okay, there's another name. Okay, here M and T, right? M and T are called transversals. Transversals. Goes across. Trans means going across, literally. Transportation. Transversal. They're called transversals. Now, there are two parallel lines, L and M. Okay, and there is a transversal T. Now tell me, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. What do you think about these two angles? What are they called? Somebody who knows, shout it out. Shout it out. Let's make it into a discussion. Because these are 7th grade math.
Are they congruent angles?
How do you say? Why do you say that?
Because they have like the same measure, right? Well, not
How do you say that?
really.
That's what defines them. But how do you say that? Shall I go ahead? Okay, let me go ahead.
They congruent.
They are congruent, ma, but what are they called? What are the... Yes, Abhyut.
The line intercepting it. So those two lines are parallel to each other and they're intercepting another line.
Correct.
So why
So 1 and 2 are called? 1 and 2 are in the same location. Did you see? Same location in the sense top right of line L, top right of line M. This space is called interior. Outside is called exterior. Outside is called exterior. Okay, now suppose if I talk about side 1, side 2 of the two sides of the transversal. If I talk about side 1 and 2, it's called alternate sides. If the angles are on the same side, then it's same side. Now what I'm asking is, angle 1 and 2 are top right, correct? Now tell me, angle 1 and 2 are called corresponding angles. Angle 1 and 2 are called corresponding angles. Sanvi, can you tell me one more pair of corresponding angles? Sanvi?
Yeah.
One more pair of corresponding angles. Can you tell, ma?
3 and 8.
Good job. 3 and 8. Very nice. Then you want to say one more pair?
4 and 7.
4 and 7. Same location. Left bottom, left bottom. Guys, you have to know this. This is a part of 7th grade math. You will be given in star. What is going on here?
Wait,
Okay.
6 and 5, 6 and 5?
6 and 5. Good job.
No, I thought the same.
That is corresponding angles. Now, let me go ahead and ask you one question. Avyukt, what is 1 and 4? What type of angles are 1 and 4?
1 and 4. They're vertically opposite angles.
Good job. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are supplementary or congruent?
Congruent.
Congruent. Good job, guys. Now, okay, now, how about 2 and 6? Who can explain? I don't want to pick you. That is not the intent for me. For me, the intent is everybody understands whatever is being discussed. So 2 and 6, who wants to volunteer?
They're adjacent angles.
They're adjacent angles, 100%. There's one thing more as well. They're also
Are they supplementary?
supplementary. Why? Because,
Okay, both of them add up to 180.
yeah, both they form a line. Do you see? Beneath them, they form a line. So they're supplementary and they form a linear pair. Can anyone name one another linear pair?
8
Can
and 7.
8 and 7. Correct. Anything else?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. All of you are following the pattern.
4
Yeah,
and
1.
5.
Huh?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Nice. Nice combination.
6 and 7.
6 and 7. Very nice, guys.
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Very nice. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now okay. I'll pick out an angle. Okay. I've told you that if they are from two different sides, then you call them alternate. They're on the same side, you call them same side. One another thing I told you, if the angles are present in this area, it's interior. If the angles are outside, then it is exterior. I've told you. Okay. Now let me ask you about this. How about 5 and 8? Who wants to try telling what type of angles are 5 and 8?
They're alternate interior angles.
Alternate, correct. They are on opposite sides of the transversal. Do you see? This is the transversal, right? They are on two sides. I asked you about 5 and 8. They are on alternate and interior angles. You got it? How about 3 and 6? Sanvi, I would like you to try, or Hana, you try. 3 and 6 are what type of angles? Or Priyanka, try. Good job.
Alternate.
Correct, ma. Alternate? I'll help you if you don't know. Doesn't matter at all.
Alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior angles. Correct. 3 and 6 are alternate exterior angles. Okay. Alternate interior, alternate exterior, alternate interior. Let me write it fully at least one time. Alternate interior and alternate exterior. Okay, angles are congruent. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Alternate exterior angles are as well congruent. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, you tell me the angles this time. I will just name the angle, okay? Same side interior angles. Same side, then you want to say? Same side interior angles. Can you name a pair of same side interior angles?
2 and 5. 4 and 8.
Perfect. Oh my God, that was so fast. Same side exterior angles, Sanvi or Prisha? Ishan, you can answer too. You're too quiet.
What
Huh?
did you say? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Sorry. Same side exterior
7.
angles, I said.
3 and
Same
7.
side exterior
1
angles.
and 1 and 6.
1
3
and 6.
3 and
Ishan, can you
7.
tell me one more? What ma?
3 and 7.
3 and 7. Correct. So same. One thing remember, guys, how to avoid this confusion. What is congruent? What is supplementary? When you have same side, yes, yes. Yes, they are supplementary. Same side, whatever it is, same side interior or exterior angles are supplementary. Yes, yes, yes. You got it? Okay. Now, let's go back. Okay, I want to tell one more thing. Let's call an isosceles triangle. Let's say this is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, which angles are equal, guys? Ishan, you tell me, which angles are equal? This is angle B, this is angle A, angle C. See, I need water, guys. Think about which angles are equal. I just bring water and drink. Go ahead. Yes, ma, go ahead. Which two angles are equal?
A and B.
What made you think it's A and B?
Because they have like the lines on them.
Yeah.
Wait, Miss Priya, I think B and C.
I'm getting both answers. Yes, go to bathroom quickly and come back. See, guys, these two sides are equal. This side is equal to this side. That's what it means. You know what type of a triangle is that? What type?
Isosceles.
Equilateral.
Isosceles. Equilateral is all sides equal. This is isosceles triangle. Okay, now
Didn't you say that in the beginning too?
I didn't say. I just said these two sides are
Yeah,
equal.
but when you were drawing the triangle, you kept saying that this is going to be an isosceles
Yeah, you
triangle.
said it was an
Yeah.
isosceles.
Oh, I don't remember. Okay, sorry. Now, see, in an isosceles triangle, the angles that are opposite to equal sides. What are the angles that are opposite to equal sides? What is the angle opposite to this? Angle that's opposite to this is C, this angle, and the angle that's opposite to this side is B. So B is congruent to C. Make sense? Shita, are you following?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, why are we again and again delving into this? Ma, again, the same thing will be taught to you in geometry. Okay, that time, nobody will have time to go over in depth. So definitely, after you finish Algebra 1, the same thing is going to be taught as another unit. So that's why I'm taking the time to brush again on this topic. Okay.
So
Now,
B and C are equal?
yeah, ma, B and C are equal. What are the equal sides, these two? What is the angle opposite to this side, this one? What is the angle opposite to this one, this one? So B and C are equal. Make sense? Can I move on?
Yeah.
How about this? This is a 50. What is this angle, guys? That? What did you do? Check. You want to check? Oh, I didn't.
Wait, can you repeat the question again?
The question is on the board. Nothing I
Oh.
asked you.
Okay.
Go ahead, guys. What's the answer? Go ahead. Good job, guys. Dhruv got it. Prince got it. Ishan, how did you get Ishan? Explain. That's incorrect, but explain. Sanvi, can you explain Riyanka? Sanvi and Riyanka, Ishan, you're going to explain this. Ashwata, you can send some answer. Hana, you can send answers, guys. Let it be wrong.
I sent my answer.
Okay, good.
This angle's 50. So these two angles have to be equal. And if you subtract 50,
Wait a minute. Ishan, please explain. I like that you're explaining. Go ahead.
these two angles are 50. This one's 50.
Correct. Because vertically opposite angles, it's
Yeah.
50. Good job. Okay.
And then these two have to be equal.
No, right, Ishan? Which two are equal?
C and A.
Wait.
Oh no, B and A.
B and A,
No.
right? Because this is the equal side, this is the equal side. What are the angles opposite to these two sides?
So this one's 50 and this
No,
one's
right, Ishan?
No.
The angle opposite to this side is this. The angle,
Oh.
you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So this is 50, this is 50, this is 50, 100. So the rest of the 80 go here. Make sense?
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah.
is my answer correct?
If you have gotten whatever I got, then it is correct. You don't have to ask, right? After I said the answer.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Riyanka, did you get it?
Yeah, I was confused at the start. But now I
Sanvi, how about you? Sanvi? Mama, I need an answer. I'm glad people who are really interactive, it really helps the class. Sanvi, did you understand?
I just came back.
No, ma. So this is hard on me, ma. Okay, when we are discussing an important topic, it is so important to be present as well, ma. Because the entire topic was taken up as a result of some of your school tests.
Yeah.
And okay, how about let me give you some angles and then ask you. How about this? Okay, how about this? This is 60. Okay, now this one is 50. Okay. Now I didn't talk to you about isosceles trapezoid, so I cannot give you that. Okay. Now this one is 100, let's say. This cannot be 100. Okay, this is 80. What is this? What is the question angle? Angle in question.
Miss Priya, what is what? I'm confused with what one of the angles say.
Tell me, Madanvi, what is that you are not getting? Meaning,
I can't read this angle.
you can't read which angle. This is 80. Is it clear now? Oh, you can't read that. I'm sorry. 50.
Okay, thank you.
This is 60. I can name them so that you don't. How about this?
Yeah, thank
Make
you.
sense?
Miss
I'm
Priya,
asking for D. Yes.
I already said my answer, but what's confusing me is that 60 and 50. So basically, alternate exterior and goals are supposed
They
to.
are not equal. Okay. No. I think I made a mistake there. Good. Avyukt, very nice. So what are you saying, Avyuk? Pick out my error. Go ahead.
I'm trying to say that 50 is supposed to be 60. Or either 60 is supposed to
Completely agree. Whatever he says is right. This is 60. Sorry, guys. Good job, Avyuk. Thank you. 60. That is 60. It can't be 50, guys. What he says is perfectly right.
Yeah, I saw 50. I was confused and I thought I was wrong.
Sorry. Okay.
It's okay.
Apology. Go ahead. I'm glad. See, I'm glad there were two people who picked me out. Very good job. Go ahead.
Wait, Miss Priya, won't B and D like be equal?
What, ma?
Won't B and D be equal?
B and D. Why do you think B and D are equal, Danvi? No, tell me, what is your perception? You tell me.
Because there's a line. The one is 80, the other one also is technically 80.
There's a line.
Or unless, like the
Can you
way.
elaborate, Danvi? I didn't get you. There is a line.
Wait, can you just check my answer once?
I can check. Should I say whether it is right or wrong, you're saying?
Yeah.
Is this right? 1 minute, wait. Am I giving it to you right? I have to see, guys. 6. Yeah, that is right, actually. Then we'll check yours.
Okay.
Prisha, you got it, ma'am. Avyukt, you got it. Rest of you, I'm waiting. Rest of you didn't get it.
So Miss Priya, I didn't get it correct.
No, Danvi.
What?
No.
Okay.
Can I get an explanation from Danvi? Resend the answer. Arush, can you explain? Illama. Danvi, that's incorrect. Arush, can you explain the answer to me?
No, since it's like a parallelogram or like a trapezoid,
True, correct.
I was angle A, since 60 is vertically I forgot. Since 60, so angle A becomes 60, and then angles since angles, oh no, I thought angle A was 50 before you I did it before you explained that it was 60 and it continued.
Can you redo and send it to me? Hannah, Riyanka, this time you explain, Riyanka. Ishan, I want an answer from you.
I didn't really get it. I sent you a message.
What is that you didn't get? Yeah, I saw that. Okay, go ahead. What is that you didn't get, ma?
I just don't get how to solve it.
That's right, Prince. Riyanka, start with something. I'll help you.
Well, I know that A and C are like both 60.
A and C are 60. Yes, corresponding angles. Okay, so what? Correct. Good job. Then? But don't you see the two lines are meeting, right? So this angle, would it not be equal to this angle, ma?
Yeah.
So what it should that be? 60, right? And did you see these make up a line? Did you see this angle and this angle makes up a line, right?
Yeah.
So what happened?
So that would make it.
If they make up a line, they add up to Ishan.
It's 120.
120. Yes, they have to make up a 180, right? That's 120. Now, this is a quadrilateral, means a four-sided figure. The sum of the angles will add up to 360. So, you have 260 here. How much is that?
It's 100.
100. Good job, guys. So this is see finding angle based on parallel lines transversal usually is called angle chasing. If you chase all these angles, it's called angle chasing. Can I give you one more?
Yeah.
Let's see. Very good. Okay, I'll give you one more. Okay.
Is that a 70?
Yes, ma. Oh, my writing is not clear. 70, yes. One second, guys. Sorry. Wait. These two are equal. Okay. Okay, can I get what is this? Riyanka noted. Sanvi, this time I want you to.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
Sorry, I was on mute. I am not seeing it at all. I'm waiting. Sanvi, can you explain? Sorry, I was on mute and I was answering. Dhruv got it right. Danvi got it right, I said. Hannah, you
Can I
didn't
explain? Like if
get it. Illa Danvi, please. I want Sanvi to explain.
Is
Okay.
my answer right?
Sanvi, that is incorrect, ma. But still, I want you to explain.
Miss Priya,
Sanvi,
can you explain this one to me?
absolutely, I will. Hannah, go ahead.
What?
Go ahead, ma. Just explain how you got it.
Oh, so I thought since 70, like the line would make up 180, I just put 180 minus 70.
Correct, ma. Which line, ma? Let me write it down. A, B, C. Which one? C,
A and C.
Amma, you can only indicate, see, if you want to indicate this angle, right? You can
Yeah.
indicate it as angle C, or you can call it as ACB, or you can call it as BCA. These are the only three ways you can indicate angles. Angles can never be indicated by two letters. So tell me which
Uh, since angle A was 70, I minus
angle A can't be 70. Then you can call it as FAC as 70. A means it can be this angle, this angle, this angle. Go ahead.
I just subtracted 180 by 70.
Correct, ma. So you put that where?
Next to angle C.
Which one? Here, where?
Right here.
But that's not it, right? This and this is only forming a semicircle, right?
Yeah.
So this has to be 110.
Okay.
Then Avyukt, correct. Then
I subtracted that by 180 and then I got 70.
correct. You subtracted 110 because angles in a triangle add up to 180. So you subtracted that, you got 70. 70 should be distributed between these two, right?
Yeah.
How? Equally or differently or how?
Equally.
Equally. So this is 35, this is 35. This is, wait, 35, 35, correct. Did you guys get it? So, okay. Okay, now angle 12. Okay, now angle 12. Angle 12 and angle 13 are called what type of angles? Prince, you can tell me. Angle 12 and angle 13 are what type of angles?
Uh,
Angle 12 and 13 are what type of angles?
where did I forgot.
Yeah. Who wants to try? Sanvi, Riyanka, you want to try?
I think it's
Is it an alternate exterior angle?
Alternate interior, ma. Very good, Kaido. Alternate interior. Why I'll tell you? They are on both sides of the transversal. Perfect. These two are the parallel lines I'm thinking. So this is interior, this is exterior, right? So alternate sides of the transversal, alternate interior. So they are congruent. Okay, Avyukt wanted to answer. How about 9 and 13? Avyukt. 9 and 13.
They'll be same side.
Don't be in a hurry. 9 and 13.
I know they'll be on the same side.
Yeah, that is true, but there's nothing like same side. Both are not interior or both are not exterior. So it is not same side angles. 9 and 13.
Are they congruent angles then?
They're congruent, but why? They're positioned in the same location, corresponding angles.
It is R and T parallel to each other?
Yeah, R and T are parallel. So this is considered a transversal. This and this are on the same location, right? Corresponding angles.
Yeah.
Okay. How about 11 and 10? 11 and 10. Anybody, please, guys. 11 and 10.
Vertically opposite?
Yes, vertically opposite. Good job, guys. How about 9 and 16? Then we want to answer that way. 9 and 6. 9, what did I say? 9 and 16.
Miss Priya, I can't hear you.
9 and 16, Amma. What type of angles?
Alternate
Good job.
exterior.
Good job. So alternate exterior angles are supplementary or congruent? Tell me then, we alternate exterior angles.
Congruent.
Huh?
Congruent.
Congruent. How about Riyanka? Can I ask you a question, Riyanka? You
Yes.
don't know the sign. How about 12 and 15?
Um, um, well, it's on the same side.
Good job. Same side?
Interior?
Interior. Same side interior angles are supplementary or congruent?
Um, Congruent or supplementary?
What did I say about yes, yes? Did you forget, lady? Yes, yes, yes. Same side supplementary, be it exterior or interior. Remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, good. Okay, now you know what? I have more problems for you to solve. Okay, these are actually seventh grade problems, guys. This you can expect and start. This is one area where I felt you have forgotten. That's why I thought I'll do that today. How about this? Are you all able to see the diagram? Find the measure of each angle. Find the measure of each angle. What type of angles are they? Find the measure of each angle. What type of angles are they?
Supplementary.
Really? I'm checking this. 15. Something feels wrong to me though. Okay, let's see. How did you guys get it? So basically, these two angles are what type of angles, guys? What type of angles are they?
Same side.
Is it same side corresponding angles?
Congruent angles.
For corresponding angle, yeah, for corresponding angles, you don't need to add same side. They're corresponding angles.
Oh,
Corresponding angle, good. Corresponding angles are congruent. Okay. So if you have that, 2x, I'm sorry. Subtract 2x on both sides, you get x minus 15 equal to 7 plus 15 plus 15. Guys, several of you have answered as 22, but 22 is not correct, right? X equal to 22. I said what is the measure of the angle? So you need to substitute in there. 66 minus 15. Answer is 51. Here, again you substitute 44 plus 7, 50. Got it?
yeah.
Okay. How about, shall we solve one more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this one more. How about this? Geometry, the geometry topic is based on only these things. How about this? Wait, let me see whether, yeah, you can find, guys. What is X and Z? Or leave everything. What is Z? Angle Z alone you find and send it to me. Angle Z.
Is Z in the bottom left corner?
Yeah, I think this is only Z. I'll show you. This is only Z, right?
Okay, thank you. I just couldn't read it
Yeah,
properly.
no problem.
Wait, Miss Priya, what are we solving for again?
Z.
Okay.
Hana, was that the answer for Z, Mahana?
Yeah.
Okay. Honestly, I need to check. I'll check, guys. That doesn't seem right, Hana. I just want the angle measure for Z. Please do the homework, guys, okay? Where are you? You want me to do it? I'll do it. But I would like you to try. We have been discussing this, right? Done? Now, Arima, please take it out. Avyukt, how did you get that, Avyukt? Can we try together? Can I do this for you? Should I wait or can I do that for you? Can I do that for you?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's try doing it together, okay? See, this shows that these two are parallel lines. If they show you like this, that means that they are parallel lines. If they're parallel lines, it's very clear that this one is the transversal and these two are same side exterior angles. Same side exterior angles add up to 180 degrees. 2y plus minus 6 will be 180. 2y equal to 186. This is 93. Y is 93. If y is 93, what is that angle? 93 minus 18, right? So what is 93 minus 18?
75.
75. So this is as well 75. When this makes up a triangle, right? 75 plus 90 is what? 165. 165 is here. So this angle is 15.
15.
Make sense, guys? Koncham. Does that make sense? If you understood that, we'll stop here. Okay? If you did not understand, I'm here to explain to you guys.
Okay.
If you understood, you can log off and your homework will be entirely on this.
Thank you, Miss Priya. Bye.
Yeah, bye guys. All the best for STAR, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, do well in STAR. Okay, slowly attempt the C for the not keywords and all. NOT.
Also, Miss Priya, you said you would send like the link to the practice papers for the NSL thing.
Send it, right?
I don't think we got. Did you send it in a group chat or did you send it privately?
Emails, ma.
Oh, okay, yeah. I
Please,
think we'll just double check.
you'll double check, okay.
Yeah,
Please
maybe I
send it.
did get it and I just missed it.
Second, let me know, ma. It is automated emails.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, ma, bye.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can you send like any like star reviews or anything?
Absolutely. Did you try out all the star papers, ma? Ashita?
Yeah, I already did all of them. I couldn't do one of the years because it was COVID, and yeah.
Oh, so you did all the rest of the stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, can I give you, I can give you another mock test. Can I give you that?
Yeah, anything's okay. I just want to like practice more for Math
Oh,
Star.
yeah, I can give you a 7th grade mock test. Would
Thank
that
you.
help?
Yes, a lot.
Sure. Sure, I'll definitely give you.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. I'll put
Bye,
it in
Ma.
the Google Classroom. Yes, Abhyuk, tell me.
I also get some practice tests.
Yes. Yes, I'll give you mock. Did you practice all the star?
Yeah, I practiced on the start all the way till 2021.
All the way till
2021.
Wait, Avi, which years did you start with?
2024, 2023, 2022, 2021.
Okay, okay.
I can give you more. Shall I give you more? Meaning they will be a tad little harder than star. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, but they'll
That's
still
pretty
cover all
good.
the concepts, right?
Yes, the benchmark.
Okay. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I'll make sure I give you 1 or 2. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Any other
Thank you, Miss
questions?
Priya.
Yeah. Fine, ma. All the best. Any other questions, Abhyuk?
No.
Okay, so you just need practice, right?
Yeah. I'd like to just have like one.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
I'll drop it as your homework.
Yeah, sure.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. All the best.
Bye.